Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to slow zoom in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do is first to open your project, and here you will need just to go to the File menu, click on Open Project, and you will have your project to be open. After that, you will be needing just to add like footage to your timeline. So simply just drag and drop the videos and you will add them to your timeline. Now that we have our timeline here, we will be able like to start our effects of zooming. So now we want like to zoom somewhere in our video. So we can simply uh, just go to the video and we will need to start creating keyframes on our zooming. So here you will have like the scale, and this is what we are interested in. And basically, we will be interested in this video. So, for example, we want to zoom on this panel here. So I'm just going to create a keyframe, and basically, we will have the keyframe that will be added, and we want to also create a keyframe on our position. So now we have our keyframe that has been created. And here we will have anything to be reset. And as you can see, now within the time you will start like having this keyframe. So let's just add this keyframe here and then we will want to have everything to be reset. And basically we can simply do it like that. So the more you are giving it time for the keyframe to be, the more like the the effect will be slower, and the less time you give it, the faster it will become. So just like give it uh, keyframes, and you start creating keyframes, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.